This video will cover the RH-1532 pistol grip and the RH-1531 D-handle drill. Both model drills are capable of drilling up to a 4-inch hole handheld, or when added to an optional column and base can drill up to a 6-inch diameter hole. Both model drills include a convenient hard-sided carrying case. Both model drills come equipped with both 5/8 11 thread and 1 1/4" 7 thread adapters. Both model drills allow you to move the water connection to one of 3 convenient locations. 3-speed gearbox included with both model drills. Included with every Shibuya drill is a high-quality brass quick disconnect. A green status LED indicates the drill is operating within its normal operating load. Red flashing LED indicates the operator has achieved the maximum operating load. A solid red LED indicates an overload condition. Both model drills include horizontal and vertical bubble levels. The orange LED indicator light will illuminate whenever maintenance is required. Open the left-hand side access panel to gain access to the switches that control both rig mode and handheld mode, and the on and off switch for use in rig mode. GFIs are built into the power cord on both model drills. The RH-1531 D-handle drill comes with most of the same features as the pistol grip version, except for the LED lights. The RH-1531 includes a front swivel handle, making it easy for both left and right-handed operators. If you want to mount the core drill on a column and mast, just add the optional squeeze clamp adapter. The RH-1531 allows you to use either the squeeze clamp adapter or the bolt-on adapter.